Rajdhani was running late today. So I decided to go to Durga, but that plan was cancelled. So the next option was Todlapur, but I had to cancel that as well due to heavy rains. And finally, I chose my home station, Malleswaram. Well, it turned out as a blessing in disguise. I was treated with a parallel action. Not the same kind like I got it with Rajdhani. But this was the first to me, electric and diesel parallel action at Malleswaram. Many of you have asked for answers to these questions. Well, here it is. The stretch between Bangalore and Yeshwanthpur is a twin single line section, which means trains can take any track at any given time. And parallel action is quite common in this section, especially on Fridays and Sundays at 5 p.m. So for people who are interested to see two trains running next to each other, Fridays and Sundays are the days for you. Well, coming to the title, it did happen. The train was halted at Agra for nearly 2 hours because of a bomb scare. What's more shocking in this is, it was done by our very own soldier. It's a bit disappointing as well. For people who want to know more about the incident, I'll give a link in the description below. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, do hit the like button, share and subscribe. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon button so that you don't miss out on my videos. And thanks for watching.